SSAS pensions. What are the benefits? Why should you have a SSAS pension? Let's look at the top three. Number one, corporation tax relief. For every £100,000 that you contribute to your SSAS, you basically receive £19,000 of corporation tax relief in your company after you've made that contribution. Number two, you can loan back half of the money to your business. Number three, you can then directly invest in commercial property or indirectly invest in commercial property. And then number four is a bonus, probably the most important one. You can create a transgenerational legacy vehicle in the form of a SSAS to pass down to the next generation and the generation thereafter.